Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make a page black in Word with white text. So let's get right into the video. Once you have opened up in your Word document, head up to your design option. Then in that design tab, you can see a page color option in the page background section. Click on it and change the color to black. And yeah, there it goes. And again, go to your home tab and change your font color from black to white. And let me enlarge the font size for you so that you can see it properly. Now make it, let me write and yeah, that's it. Your page is now black and your text is white. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.